Hello, welcome to the restoration of our 1955 Morgan Plus 4. This is a car I purchased back in February of this year from the Solway coast in Scotland. The car has been there for well over 40 years. The bulk of that period has been in a barn and as such has suffered from extensive corrosion issues. Much will be revealed when we undertake the restoration. What we've done is set up a couple of time-lapse cameras so you can see this sort of huge undertaking but in a condensed format, and hopefully you'll find that enjoyable. So this restoration is going to take place in just under a year. Quite a tall order really, but a tall order because the target is to have it completed by the 1st of October. In fact, before the 1st of October, because the 1st of October is when the African Rally 2018 to Tanzania, Malawi, Zambia, Botswana and Swaziland commences. It's a 26-day tour and covers something like 7,500 kilometres. So a very exciting rally and a very exciting project which we will keep you posted on.